Hey guys, Big D here. That's Liam. Welcome back to another episode of Big D's and Liam's Custom Garage. Today we are going to continue on our on our Chevy 350 rebuild. Today we are going to do the taping off and painting of the block, so you guys can see that. We already did all of our block cleanup off camera like we said we were going to do. So yeah. Also guys, you guys got to leave some comments and stuff. Give us some feedback on Liam's new freaking killer intro for our videos. He did a great job. It's awesome. You guys got to leave some feedback on that. But before we get started on the 350, we are going to turn it over to Liam because Liam got some parts in.
Yeah, I did. Okay. Let's see here. Let's get this up here. Okay, I haven't even touched these yet. This is actually an actual unboxing.
Yes.
Because I haven't even seen them. I don't even know if they're all the parts are here. We'll find out together.
Yes, we have, the tape still hasn't even been cut.
This one is from Mas Miata.
Okay.
So
Shout out to Mas Miata.
this is, they're anything performance-wise, Miata, they're awesome.
Yes.
Unsponsored.
Unsponsored, yes.
Oh, there it is. That's the important part why we got this. It's such an expensive kit.
Okay.
Most of the money went to this part right here. This is the oil tube. I think it's an oil tube, vacuum tube, some kind of tube.
It looks like a oil supply line.
Yeah,
because
it goes.
That's fitting on the bottom. Almost, it's just like what goes on the bottom of your turbos for your oil drains and stuff. So I'm gonna say that is probably a oil passage tube of some kind.
It goes on the back of the block.
Yes. So obviously this first box is the
cooling
rerouting kit.
Check out this.
Let's go ahead and just pull all the big pieces out of the box and we'll put the box itself on the floor.
Instruction is very important. We're going to spend some time reading those.
Yes.
All right, that's it.
Okay. Yep.
Okay, there we go.
All right, there we go. Now you guys can see it better. Okay, so this
I
is...
better be careful with this.
Yes, this is a radiator hose. We do not want to cut this. It's an extremely long radiator hose, but it has to be for
what we're doing. It's very nice.
So again, basically what this is doing is it's redirecting the water flow inside the block. The reason why this is so long is, does it go to the water neck or to the water pump?
Water neck on the back of the block.
So basically it's relocating the water neck from the front of the motor to the back of the motor.
So you can get that four cylinder can get more water passage.
Yeah, more water passage, cooler EGT temps, which in the long run, cooler engine temps means more power.
Yes. You want to hold that up? That's
This
the
is
new water
the
neck.
ooh. I wish you guys could actually see this and hold this. This is a nice piece.
Yeah.
It's all one piece billet aluminum. It's really, really lightweight, guys. Very nice piece.
Same with these. These are CNC machined.
Let me see. Let me hold that.
That's why.
Again.
That's one of the reasons why this is such an expensive.
But nice.
Yeah.
I mean, it's all one solid chunk that they CNC'd and made this, and it's lightweight, very, very nice design. These guys definitely know their shit. I'm very impressed with these parts so far.
Yeah, and this
is very nice.
This is for the heater hose.
Okay, so you got a bar that goes in there. Obviously, we'll be putting some Teflon on this before it goes in there.
Brackets
for the new radiator hose.
To hold it in place, make sure there's no new
Got all
gaskets for all the gaskets you're gonna need.
You got all your gaskets. You got
And
your
bolts.
block off plate, which is also a solid chunk of billet aluminum
This goes where the water neck used to go
on the front of the motor.
That's pretty much that. That's all the parts. That's
the main thing. What else we got
we
going
got
on?
another bigger box. I think it's an oversized box.
Okay, this one came from our main supplier of all of our parts,
GM.
unsponsored Summit Racing.
I think it's most.
We would love to have these people as sponsors at some point, but
Yeah.
right now, yes, we are unsponsored, but we are still not afraid to give a shout out to the companies that deserve it in our videos. Trust me, if you're a company and your parts freaking suck, we're not going to give you a shout out. We'll tell you that right now.
We probably wouldn't see the parts anyway.
Exactly. Okay, so
Got a big box for this.
that's a little bit of overkill there, Summit.
Yeah.
Just saying.
I thought it wasn't going to be. I knew it wasn't going to be that big. I was wondering why they sent me such a big box.
The oil coolers or trans coolers are not that expensive.
Yeah, someone's killing trees here.
Yes. Okay, so you got your.
We got plenty of extra line.
Yes, it comes with your rubber hose.
This is for the automatic transmission.
Yes, because the new new aluminum radiator that Liam ordered that we're waiting for it to come in. It doesn't have a built-in transfer for the automatic. It's for that that particular radiator is for the manuals.
Mm-hmm.
So because of that, we are having to run a external trans cooler.
Really nice box in there.
Yes. I've installed many trans coolers. They are very handy for towing. If you have a truck that's an automatic and you do a lot of towing, they're really great for that, to help keep your transmission temperatures down so your transmission's not overheating.
Yeah.
They're also great for Winnebago campers, and of course your race cars, your off-road cars.
Be very careful with this.
Yes.
Okay, there we go. Very
Yeah.
nice. This will be mounted like this.
In front of the
Actually-
radiator.
Yeah. In front of the actual air conditioning. The
Yeah.
condenser.
Yes, it gets mounted in front of the condenser and the radiator. That'll be kind of like a stack. It will go this, then the condenser, then the radiator. Fan has more than enough power to pull air through all three. It's fine. This is a very small piece, but it's really
a very
all
small transmission.
Yes, but it's really all you need. You would think trans cooler, you're going to need something real big. In all reality, you really don't. They're very small. And they even make them, if you guys want to spend the extra money, they even make trans coolers that come with an electric fan.
Yeah.
That's already mounted to the face of them.
And
So
you can mount those anywhere.
yeah, those designs, you can literally mount them anywhere under the car. You can mount them at the back of the car, wherever.
There's more hose than I thought we were going to get, actually.
Well, that's good. You never know when you're going to need some extra hose. That's what she said. Extra hose. Anyway, okay, so that's the unboxing of Liam's new parts. Still waiting on his radiator. Once his radiator does come in, we will be able to get this whole entire project knocked out. It will also be a couple videos, obviously, but it's going to be worth it. This is going to be a good project. Shouldn't be that difficult considering how nice the parts are. Looks like it's a very, very well thought out and well designed kit. So hopefully it should go pretty hiccup free. Hopefully
We're going to be doing a lot of work on the back of the block, so that's a little.
it's going to be a little tight. but
the part, as long as these parts are to spec, we should be fine.
which it looks like they are.
Yeah,
They're very well designed.
Anyway.
So, anyway, moving on now. We're gonna go and get started. By the time we're done with this video, you guys will see the 350 taped off, painted, and unmasked with fresh paint on it. It's gonna look amazing. So, here we go. guys, Big D here. We are done with our engine prep. Yes, to you guys it's going to be really short, but like they say on SpongeBob, 2 hours later. But I'll have Liam show you guys. I don't mess around. When it comes to prepping, I go back and I cut all my tape, because when the motor goes back together, I want it to be, even though I'm selling this motor, whoever of you guys buys this motor, I want it to be show quality. I've already deburred the block. I've already cleaned up all the sharp edges. We hellaciously opened up all the oil passages, which we'll show you guys again in a later video. It's going to be nice. When we get done painting and we pull this tape and paper off, it's going to completely transform the whole entire thing, and it's just going to be amazing. So, with that being said, guys, we're going to get started on our painting. Okay guys, welcome back. We are done with our complete engine paint
Process.
Yes, we've already taken the tape and paper back off. We've re-oiled the block so it's not going to sit there and surface rust on the unpainted surfaces. She's looking absolutely amazing. So real quick, we'll do a quick walk around and show you guys how good she came out. Okay, as you guys can see, the paint, we've put enough layers on how I like it to where the paint almost looks plastic, but it's got a very good bond to the block. We did all our preparation absolutely perfectly. Liam can even get down low.
There's the block number if anybody wants to look it up.
Yeah, if any of you guys are curious, and you can make out that block number through the paint, go right on ahead and look it up and pull up all the specs right there, tell you when it was made, what it is, whole 9 yards.
That's pretty much it.
Yeah.
Even got
Liam can get down underneath and even show the side.
yeah, I already.
Oh, you already did that.
Yeah,
Okay.
I got it.
But as you guys can see, all that deburring and block prep is the right way to go. Because the paint, oh wait, oh, drop light's not plugged in. Oh well. Okay. But still, you guys can see the camera's got great picture. But all that block prep, when we were doing all that deburring a month ago and taking off all the sharp edges and getting rid of built up casting, it just makes everything come out so much better, so much smoother. When it's completely together, you guys, you'll literally be able to take this thing to a damn car show and be happy with it. And the paint's built up enough that if you were to have a leak, it's gonna run right off. The other reason why I love Chevy Orange is if you do have a leak of any type of fluid, you'll know what it is. Because you can see the color. If it's green, it's antifreeze. If it's a light brownish color, it's oil. If it's pink, it's transmission fluid. And so on. When your blocks are painted dark like black, you can't see any stuff like that. You just can't. I love the orange. The block came out awesome. Of course, we still got to do the cylinder heads in orange. We still got to do the timing cover, the oil pan. We still got to clean up and repaint the intake manifold and stuff like that. But in our next video, now that the block is done, we can start assembling our short block. So in Wednesday's video, we will be putting our pistons back in, torquing everything down, and getting our full short block completely assembled and ready to go. So, yeah, with that being said, we're going to end today's video. I am Big D.
I'm Liam.
And we're out.